Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am showing you how to connect to the VPN without using any applications, and it is very easy. Hello everyone, it's me Suyak Paudel and you're watching Hypertech.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
At first, go to the settings, and here you will find VPN, add connection and sharing. Here, if you don't find VPN, simply search at VPN. Here, tap here and go to the add VPN. Here you have to write the name, server address, username and password. I'll give a name here. And now you have to fill up the server address, username and password. Then go to the Google Chrome and search here. Here you have to search VPN book. Scroll here, go to PPTP. Here you will find many server address. Also here is username and password. Choose a server address. I'll choose here France VPN server. Copy this, copy, and you have to also here the username is always VPN book and you have to remember the password. Okay, I'll copy it. Here we have copied the password and server address. Go to the settings. Here the server address is, you should paste here. Username was VPN book and write your password. Here we have simply filled all the things: server address, username and password. Add VPN, okay, and now turn on. Yeah, now the VPN is connected. Now you can see on the top that there is a symbol of VPN. And this much for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can watch more such important videos from our channel. Thank you.